So we've just spent the last couple of days at Amazing Things on Phillip Island in South Victoria. Phillip Island is quite famous for getting quite busy at times, but this is a little bit away from the main area, so that it's so that you get a little bit of quiet time. It's a bit of refuge from some of the hustle and bustle of the island. It's a holiday park which has all of these nice fun activities to do, especially for kids or the kid in you if you really want to do it as well, because it's got like big jungle gyms and playgrounds, and it's got mini golf, giant chess, and all sorts of just fun and games that you can get involved in. The area around is really beautiful as well, and you're only a short drive from all of the attractions as well, such as the Penguin Parade, the Seal Rocks, and all of the other nature reserves. For the most part, you don't actually need to leave the area though, because you've basically got everything you need. There's also a bar nearby and one of the motels next door if you do want to go for a drink. And the rooms are really nice and accommodating as well. Some nice hot running water and comfortable beds, and all the cooking facilities that you'll need if you want to cook in. But equally, there's some really nice restaurants around the area as well.